Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Touring L in bright white. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, seat back video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7297.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.